Good morning all. This is Dr. S. Prince Anil, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Now we have gathered here to discuss about the DT activity titled Smart Health Monitoring using the E-textiles. It is one of the most important factors in the medical field to monitor all the parameters continuously. Let's start the discussion now.
So I am here to talk about the empathy part. The empathy part is the patients are uncomfortable with the wired ECG machines and the continuous monitoring in the hospitals are very expensive. The patients are nowadays taking the invisible devices and staged devices. The athletes also want to tracking their performance. So the sweat and movement can affect the traditional sensors. So that we are using smart health monitoring system in E-textiles like comfortable and washable and continuous monitoring system in the world.
So I am going to talk about the defined part. So first we have considered the problem statement, then we have framed the main problem from it, and we are going to find a solution for it. So first from the gathered information from the users, the user feels uncomfortable, then it's not easy to wear, then it's fully wired so that the user cannot breathe. So we have some smart solutions for it. So the fabric must be conductive and at the same time it should be soft. The wearable devices should be detachable so that we can find the fault and we can rearrange it. The next it should be Bluetooth module because so that it can transfer information to the caretakers or the doctors wirelessly so that they can take next actions according to it. Then
Likewise, as you said, we can add some more factors because one side is monitoring and other side is transferring of data through which kind of module. We can still continue this question.
I am going to talk about the ideal part. As a NOVA solution, we have to add a respiratory system for monitoring the lungs and SpO2 sensors are having, and Bluetooth module for communication. In the Bluetooth module, we have to use Bluetooth low power monitoring. And next one is we have using the machine learning. So we have cloud technology. So the data are stored in the cloud. And next one is the main part is in E-textiles is the fabrication. In the fabrication we have to use a silicon material because silicon material is very soft and easy to wear.
So I am going to talk about the prototype. The components are stitched ion electrodes and ECG sensors and temperature sensors and microcontroller module and Bluetooth module and a small rechargeable battery. By following these components, there is a workflow. It's like embedded system workflow. First of all, we collect the data from the sensors, and the sensors data is transmitted through the microcontroller module. The microcontroller module analyzes the data processing system. It analyzes whether the sensors have been triggered or not. After it receives the data, it is sent through the cloud or any mobile application platform. The mobile application platform can be viewed by the doctors and they can treat their patients from remote control areas.
Yeah. Here also we can add the concept of AI. Nowadays we are speaking about the Gen AI also. This AI can transfer the data at a very faster rate and it can also predict the analysis because health monitoring means the analysis part is very important because if you have said temperature sensor, blood glucose sensor, right? So whether the sugar or the blood is constantly high or constantly low or when it is increasing, when it is decreasing, what is the average levels of these parameters to be monitored. So this AI implementation along with this E-textile monitoring will be very useful for the doctors as well as the patients or the person who is wearing because analysis can be done easily using a single chart can be done easily based on the parameters, digital parameters received. We can find out the health condition of a person. We will soon implement this project implementation. Thank you, students. Thank you for the discussion.
Thank you, sir.